So here's the thing, when we really talk about going from 500 to 50,000, that's really immense amount of gains, from $500 account. That's like maybe more than $10,000 per 10,000% on $500 account. So I mean, that's really real, like let's be real. That's like 1%, not even 1%, less than 1% people can pull off from $500 account to $50,000 account, because
Oh,
that's a lot of folds, like from 500 you have to go to 1,000, then 1,000 to 2,000, then 4, 8, 16, and then 32. It. So you're gonna make mistakes because you're over leveraging your positions from smaller account. And uh, as I said earlier, the Forex industry is portrayed as, rich quick, get rich quick scheme, and people really over leverage their positions and end up blowing the account. So nobody wants to make 1% of $500 of $1,000 account. Like 1% is what, $10? I don't want $10 a day.
$5.
Come on, exactly. $5 on 500, $10 on one. I don't want that. But if you really put that $1,000 into your evaluation of, let's say, $100,000 account, if you have a good strategy, you end up passing it. If you don't pass, you're losing $1,000 anyways,
Yeah.
from your real account as well, for over leveraging. So might as well give yourself a shot. Get a valuation account, you pass it. Now you have bigger shot. You just aim 1% a day, and there you go. From there on, you can grow your bank, and you can then do whatever you want to do.
Exactly. And I've seen a lot of people, like, I'm not gonna lie, you talk about our signal services and all that, like we're almost bankrupt. Like we're not making any sales anymore. Like nobody's buying Forex signals anymore, like because of what you just said. Like
nobody trusts signals anymore.
On top of, they don't have a great reputation. It's true that it's really hard to make them work, even if they work. Because
so here's the thing, I feel like the signals people really send, or the companies who are out there, they really send out, they might be legit signals. I mean, they obviously have some kind of analysis. They're not just sending any signals. They're still sending after the analysis. But it really, what my understanding is, it really depends on the individual person who's trading that signal. Let's say if I get a signal from you or XYZ firm or somebody, like, hey, you know what, buy gold at XYZ price, and then this is your stop loss, this is your take profit. So now I need to realize how much percentage, not the money wise. You have to, when you're in this Forex trading industry, you have to really you have, first of all, my opinion or my recommendation is, you have to forget about money. Money is just the, I would say, reward. You don't look for money. You look for your account gains. Let's say, how much did you grow? Not money wise, percentage wise. Like, let's say I gained in last 1 week, I gained 10%. If you really see, and if you really tell yourself, hold on, I really gained 10% in 1 week. Let's say in the long run, if I'm doing 10% a week, let's say average 7% a week, that's more than 20. I would say 35%, 35% a month. So what else do you need? So my recommendation is this: instead of going from, let's say, I'm going to make $500 of this trade, just start thinking about how much percentage you want to make off this trade, and how much percentage you're willing to lose on this trade. That's how you do your position calculation. Lot size, basically, what lot size you're trying to use. So yeah, I mean, that really helped me, and I'm just trying to put it out there. Take this perspective and look through this way, and that's how I was able to achieve my over trading and over leveraging account, and I overcome these kind of problems through looking this. So that's my recommendation as well, to whoever is listening to this, whoever is trading my way or making the same mistakes as I was making, or you can relate with me. I would say start thinking about percentage wise, and you'll see gains. Definitely in long run, you'll see gains.